a no star. I think I make so much noise. The last week I change it. Yo, John knows we can't leave them bush in the collect for them even all in something. Jaja star, we can't have to spend more money for that car. No, not at all.
Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside, when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument?
I wanted to sometimes you drive and hear certain noise in your car. You just have to turn on the radio. It's in a ear. Just pretend it's in the dead because I want to tell you. Sometimes you can't make car don't say have money, you know. When you get that money, better don't make the car now. Because at them time they sitting always want change. And majority of the time we sort it out and left whatever other things important as well behind. Because guess what, we have to move up and down now, so we tend to sort out the car things first. Well, I think in this case, it's stay there. Let me first apologize for not having the weekly giveaway, Friday giveaway, midday today. I want to say that week has been hectic. Bad. If you can see my item look like both the lockdown, frost out and burnout. But nevertheless, I'm going to run something right about now. So, all the best and may the best person win. Yeah. Alright, so over the years, I've owned different brand cars, right? And I'm going to give a list of cars that I've owned. Who can tell me? First person to comment and tell me which one of these brands you think was my first car.
Find a place where no one breaks their promises, or maybe drown myself in something that is bottom.
Yeah, it's a gamble. Nobody now really know, but it's a guess. So, person guess it right, I guess them win. Yeah, that's prize one. Next one is a couple years ago. I think I remember for last year, but if not last year, the year before we start YouTube. My family and I, as well as a few friends, went to St. Thomas and we cooked on the side of the road. So we cooked some saltfish fritters and we cooked ackee, but we put something in the ackee. We can name the product or the food that we mix with the ackee. You know, ackee can mix with all the things, so yeah, but that one is unusual. Probably never tried before. When you find it out, you need to try it. Yeah, first person comment and tell me when we put on that key. You know, we need second prize. So guys, all the best. Have yourself a great weekend. TGIF. Yeah, I'm gonna be right about now. Frost. Tired.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of